So these fellas here, they just seen us outside the Home Depot. And first impressions, what do you think of these things?
It's amazing. I had no idea what it was. I had to know.
Some people think they're wine barrels of it, right?
That's actually what I said.
Well, I'm glad you guys like it. You never know who you run into out here in Reno, Nevada, and all over the country. Thank you.
I'm going up the country, baby, don't you wanna go? I'm going up the country, baby, don't you wanna go? I'm going to some place where I've never been before.
Just getting ready to leave our home base over here at Waubun, Minnesota. And just to add to a little bit of the excitement to this trip, and we're gonna start doing this from here on out, is if you see us heading down the road with this saunas, or if you see any other Cedar Sense trip, if you tag us, we'll shoot you a free sauna hat. How about that? If you take a picture of us, tag us on either Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, we will send you a free sauna hat. We want to make these exciting as possible, these little sauna trips, and we just feel like that'd be kind of a cool little interactive way to get us going. So if you see this big rig going down the road, I don't care if you're 2 miles out of Waubun or on the other side of the world. If you see us hauling a Cedar Sense sauna trip, take a picture, send it to us, and we'll hook you up. All right, we're gonna get rolling here any day. We're just waiting on my other driver to get here, and we're off and flying. First stop, Dorado. We're gonna try to make damn near the whole thing in one shot. Stay the night on Wednesday night, and then deliver it early Thursday morning. So that's what we got going on so far. We might have what you call a gambling problem.
Third one, they're all closed.
Yeah. Or should we sit here till 8 in the morning or hit the next one?
I don't know, I'm tempted to wait.
No luck at the little Montanas yet. What? Sun's starting to come up here. Long ways to go. So after riding around like a couple of monkeys with their heads cut off here in Reno, Nevada, we finally found a place to stay. Well, we actually found a parking lot big enough for us to park at. So we're gonna be staying at the Jay's Resort over here in Reno, Nevada. We just hope that a homeless guy isn't sleeping in here when we come open this up in the morning. No homeless guy in there now. Do you think we'll have a homeless guy in there in the morning?
Definitely.
Seen some pretty shady characters, but at least we got a fence protecting us, and pretty sure they got cameras all over the place. But Reno, Nevada, first time I've ever been here, and I don't know if it's the first time a Cedar sauna's been here, but pretty cool.
When we were young, the future was so bright. The old neighborhood was so alive. And every kid on the whole damn street was gonna make it big and not be beat. Now the neighborhood.
Well, not too bad. Stayed at the Jay's Resort. Got in kind of late, so we didn't really do anything. Right? it was fun. Now they put us way up on the 14th floor, and I was able to look at the sauna throughout the night. And this is the one thing I was a little worried about. So let's see if we had any visitors. No, we're good. Everything's still well. So yeah, Reno was, I don't know, pretty uneventful, which is probably a good thing. And first time ever being here. So littlest, biggest city in the world. Now we're off to go meet our client. We're gonna be dropping this bad boy off first, then here, then here. And we can't wait to beat them. So, all right, sounds good. Thank you, Reno.
I'll be just plays guitar, smokes a lot of pot. Chances thrown to this free. Longing for used to be. Still it's hard to see. Fragile lives.
Change is brought to this street. Now it's all used to be. Still it's hard to see. Tragic lives, shattered.
So we got John here. We just dropped it off at his place, and I think your wife told us that this house was made in the 1800s. Yep. That's pretty remarkable. What is your kind of your first impressions of just seeing it?
It's beautiful. I love it. Can't wait to get in there tonight.
Are you gonna fire it up tonight?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I love that. You did go to the front windows and the back window, man. It's pretty cool way to go.
Yeah.
Well, we just want to thank you very much, John.
Thank you, Mike. I
And-
appreciate it.
Now we're off to Clovis, California. Have you ever been there?
No.
No, this is my first time in California, altogether. So it's okay, we got the first one set, and we're off to the next one. Join us next week. We'll be dropping this one off to a guy that has UFC ties. You're gonna want to see what it's all about. Go ahead and like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll keep them rocking out here in California. All right, catch you later, guys.
To see